Hello, welcome back to Good Long Kitchen Equipment Company. My name is Bao Chen, and today I will introduce one new machine for you. It's the fry machine. First thing, let me see the whole machine. This is very simple and not bigger. You can use for the restaurant and anywhere you like. And here very simple the controller. Okay, let me open the cupboard. Show how this is a cupboard. And this is the basket. And this one is the cube. What we can use the cube is for protect the heating tube here. Let me see the machine. Okay, I'm trying to take out the machine. First thing you can see here is also simple, but here I want to show you it's very important the two buttons. One is the reset button. This button is prevent the temperature is too high. When the oil temperature is too high, it will be frying. So this reset will keep the electricity automatically to stop. Another button, this is keep when you remove the machine, they will automatically stop the electricity to keep the machine the whole is the safety. And another thing is the right, we use the UL certificate approved, so it's more safety. And now we put the machine back. The machine. This machine is volume is 8 liter, and now I want to show you the inside. We got the two mark. It's maximum and minimum. What does it mean? The maximum, just we put the oil inside, you cannot over the maximum. Then if you over, then sometimes you put something inside, it will be dangerous because the oil is flow out. And the minimum, you cannot use the oil is low the minimum. If you lower the minimum, if you damage the machine. And now you can see this is good. We put here, it's protect our heating tube. When you fry the food, something drop down, and even the basket we cannot touch the heating tube. So it's protect our heating tube. It's very important when we use in the daily time. Now I will show another thing is very important. You can see our machine is got two pipe inside the middle. What does it mean? This is keep our temperature is more accurate. So when sometimes you fry to use the machine, they keep the temperature all is in the same level, and they keep the food is in the same time to well done. Okay, let me put it up. And then now I put the machine back on the equipment. And then we will start to use. First thing you see the oils. You can see the measurement. The oils is not over the measurement. And now everything is ready. Okay, let me put on the temperature. The power is on, and now I'm setting the temperature is 180. And now we're waiting for the oil is heating for a few minutes. And also at the moment I want to tell you the one very special here, the viewer. What they use? That's after you use the machine, you need to clean the machine and use the water to inside to clean the whole machine and open, and then the water come out. Easy to clean and also very easy to tidy up. Okay, you can see the heating light is off. The mean temperature is up to the 180 degrees. So we ready to fry the French fries. And this machine, what you can use, you can fry the chicken and the French fry and the fish and the pork and beef, whatever you like, you can use. Okay, now I put this. Now you can lit up the French fry and put it here and saving, and let the oil drop down. After cool down, you can take out to use. And let me summarize the whole machine. It's a very simple one and also very economic machine. You can use in the restaurant and also the home party and anywhere you like. And if you want to get more information, you can log in our website www.goodlong.com and you can contact our salesman. My name is Bao Chen. Thank you. See you next time. Bye bye.